Imagine you're in the middle of something important and suddenly your iPhone lights up with non-stop notifications. Messages, calls, alerts, all demanding your attention when you need silence the most. Your iPhone 17 actually has a built-in Do Not Disturb mode that can mute everything in seconds. And you can activate it in several different ways depending on what's most convenient for you. Here's how you can turn on Do Not Disturb, Focus, anytime you need peace. Start with the quickest method, Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Tap the focus button with the crescent moon icon, then tap Do Not Disturb to instantly silence alerts and notifications. Another easy option is through the Action button. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Action button. Swipe left or right until you see Focus, then tap it. Tap the All Focus drop-down and choose Do Not Disturb. Once set, pressing the Action button will toggle DND on or off whenever you need a quiet moment. You can also manage and customize DND from Focus Settings. Open the Settings app, then tap Focus. Select Do Not Disturb. From here, you can turn on intelligent breakthrough and silencing, create schedules, choose exceptions, adjust your lock screen and home screen behavior, and even set focus filters so DND activates automatically based on time, location, or app activity. And if your hands are busy, Siri can switch it on for you. Just say, "Hey Siri, turn on Do Not Disturb," or "Hey Siri, turn off Do Not Disturb" if you want everything back to normal. Whenever DND is enabled, the crescent moon icon will appear on your lock screen and in the status bar, letting you know your iPhone is keeping all distractions away until you're ready. Silent moments should be simple, and now you can activate them however you prefer. And that's it. If this helped you take control of interruptions, give it a like or check out another tutorial to learn more about your iPhone 17. Thanks for watching.